We have arrived Bodø. Actually, we're a little north from Bodø. We're at a beach called Mjellestranda. And of course, we're staying the night here. The other campers lie closer to the beach. You can see them there. But we walked up this little mountain. And then we have this whole area to ourselves. Plus a teeny tiny better view to the north. Here's the north. Because we are hoping to see the midnight sun. The sun will be at its lowest around there, where the mountain starts. And from there it will start rising again behind the mountains. It's supposed to be clouded tonight, but we can still hope to see the sun. This summer, Vegard and I are searching for beautiful campsites and hiking areas in Norway. We are driving in beautiful Nordland. It is still sunny, we're so lucky. Now we are crossing the Arctic Circle. From here, midnight sun happens, when the sun does not set at all during the summer. And when we arrive Bodø later tonight, we might see the midnight sun, if the skies are clear. If you've watched some of my other Norway travel videos, you know that the Arctic Circle is the magic circle, the boundary of where midnight sun occurs. North from here, there is midnight sun during the summer, meaning the sun does not set during the night. The sun shines in the middle of the night. And that is one of the reasons to why I love northern Norway. It is so much more special than I had thought before. We enter Bodø, one of northern Norway's main cities. But we are driving a bit north from Bodø to get to a beautiful beach. Here is parking. We are full of excitement. We have packed our bags with the tent and with food. It's about a half hour to walk. There you can see another beach on the southern side. We're continuing to the beach on the northern side. Could that be a good place for our tent? Wow, this beach is gorgeous. Let's try to walk up this little mountain. Ja, veldig fint.
Jeg tror det er litt mye vann oppi.
Det går nok bra. Yes, we are making waffles.
Making some waffles.
Yeah, we don't have a waffle iron, so they're gonna be pancakes with a waffle taste. Looks good. Waffle pancake. Just keep them coming.
And Camilla will do the dishes.
It is too cloudy to see the sun, so we're calling it a night. But wait! Yes! There's the sun! We woke up and there is the sun. It is almost 1 a.m. and the sun is shining. And you see those rays coming from the sun? Yeah, they were only visible through the tent netting. When I opened it, they went. But this looks really cool, right? Hey, wait. This isn't the same place we set up our tent yesterday. This is a whole other place. And a whole other tent. What happened? We had a little accident with the tent this night at around 3 a.m. It was very windy and the tent poles, they bended a little. Turns out our new tent is not great in wind. It fell down while we're still inside. So we took it down and we went somewhere less windy and we took out our other good old strong tent that handles the wind much better. This looks pretty good too, right? Look at that white sand. That is typical for northern Norway. And even though the water is freezing cold, Vegard actually went for a swim here. Well done, Vegard. Next time we go to Bodø, a remote island with steep mountains and tough weather.